Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy HEMI Mar, back at it again with another video. But as you can see in the title, man, we got a new setup coming for the Dodge Charger, man. I did the rims, did the wrap and everything. So I feel like what's next needed to the car, and what the next thing I can think of is the exhaust. So my current setup right now is I have a straight pipe from going from the resonators to the mufflers. But if you see this title, man, I'm finna go full straight pipe all the way back. And basically, man, show you guys what it sounded like. I feel like it's gonna be a fucking one hell of a fucking sound. It's gonna be fucking loud as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But right now, I'm finna go ahead and give you guys some stock revs, a flyby, and the cold start. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get the full straight pipe, 3-inch straight pipe done, and show you guys what it sounds like after that. So if you guys don't know, this is a 5.7 liter HEMI. Got that 345 badge. That's the engine. So if you don't know, they got the 392s, the 345. Not too sure what the Hellcat is, but this is a 345 version. So it is the regular RT 5.7 liter. But I want to know what you guys think the car is going to sound like before I actually show you guys how it sounds with the full 3-inch straight pipe all the way back, man. I want to know how you guys gonna think it sound. To be honest, if you ask me personally, I think the shit's gonna sound like a fucking beast. It might, to be honest, it might just be too loud, but you know me, I actually like too loud. If you guys know me, I like my car to be loud as fuck. So let's go ahead and drop that down in the comments below. What do y'all think the car is gonna sound like before I do this? But also, hold on, if you guys made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, so close to 1,000 subs, so let's go bang that sub button up and let's get this video started. Alright guys, so if you can see, we have made it to the spot in Mexico. So let's go ahead and get the revs, the flyby. That's pretty much it. So we're gonna be doing the sport mode and regular mode. So I'm gonna list which one is the difference, but let's get right to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we here now, RTB, to get the X pipe done for my boy Russ. Oh, you can't see it right now, but man, this fucking Hellcat is clean. Make sure y'all go check him out right here, RTB Exhaust, man. Get your best exhaust work done. Follow him on Instagram at Boulevard Bully right here, and his shop name at RTB Exhaust. But All right, guys, so for the cold start, I'm gonna have a camera set up right here, and then I'm gonna be standing about right there where the 25, let me zoom in for you guys, where the 25 speed limit sign is, and I'm gonna be standing right there to get the cold start. So you guys are gonna see how loud it is from that far of a distance. But let's go ahead and get that right now. Back I am, and we're gonna give it a cold start. So let's just. So as you guys can see, I just got done with the full 3-inch straight pipe on my car, and if you ask me, that shit sound fucking ridiculous, man. This shit is crazy loud, and if you want to do this, man, you for sure, man, make sure y'all stay tuned for this video. Definitely, man, cause this shit is loud as fuck. When I tell y'all, y'all gonna need to motherfucking put some earmuffs on y'all ear when y'all hear this in real life, I'm dead serious. But let's get right into the video. God damn, don't stop. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, one thing that you gotta deal with this setup is the check engine light, which you can see right there, which doesn't really bother me too bad because my pipes is going back on. But one thing that does bother me a little bit also is the gas. You can smell the gas from the cabin. Well, you can't really smell it from the cabin, but once you like have the air on or something like I have right now, or you roll down the windows, you can smell the gas. But otherwise from that, man, I fucking love the sound in the car. But right now I'm going to give you guys a little pull so you can see how it sounds from the cabin, because I did just post the clips from outside the car, so I know you guys want to see what it sounds like from inside the car. So we're going to give you a pull from inside, and that's going to be pretty much it for the video. So if you made it this far, man, once again I appreciate you for watching the video. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video, and let's get this pull. Alright, so right now we just on a little street in Mexico, so we're gonna do a little pull. Oh, let me turn the air off, it's a little hot, but oh, light's green, so we're just gonna give a pull from inside the cabin with the windows closed. that shit sounded badass as fuck, and I had the windows up. So as you can see, all 4 windows is up in the car, and that shit still sounded good. Now I smell a lot of gas, but that doesn't